I'm very pink today. Pink, 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 pink! Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know. And you guys, today we are going to be doing a huge, giant Sephora haul. I'm really sorry in advance if... Two things. If this is very bright right now, it's like the middle of the day. It is 3:45, so it's the middle of the day and it's very bright and sunny outside. So I'm sorry if this looks a tiny bit washed out. I hope it doesn't. And I'm also sorry if you can hear the guy cutting the grass outside. So I apologize if you can hear that. And if you're new to the channel, then hello. I'm so happy to have you. Don't forget you can click the subscribe button to become part of this weird, awesome makeup family. And please do so if you like the video / if you like me, because I did look at my analytics a couple days ago and it looks like 70% of people that watch my videos are not actually subscribed. So actually click the subscribe button. If you already watch my videos, then it's free to do, so you might as well go ahead and do that so you can get that percentage up a little, well, down a little lower, because I want to make sure the people that watch my videos are subscribed to my videos. So yeah, or subscribe to my channel. You know what I mean. And then one thing I want to say before we get into this haul is this is just a disclaimer really quick, because I do not want anyone ever thinking that I'm trying to be braggy or trying to be like, look at the stuff that I got or anything like that. That's not who I am as a person, and I've never been that way. I just wanted to show you the stuff that I did end up picking up, because these sales are always like so exciting for me and I always get super into it, and I love making these videos more than a lot of things. I love showing you guys what I end up getting. So maybe from me getting it, maybe you'll like get an idea and maybe be like, oh, I was thinking about that, but now that she got it, maybe I want to try it myself. I don't know. I know that we're in a situation right now to where many people have lost their jobs. I'm very aware many people don't have the money to spend on these right now, and I totally understand. So if it's something to where if you have the money to spend, by all means do what. If you want to get some stuff, go for it. If you don't have that money to spend, please do not put yourself in debt, or don't put yourself in a bad position to buy makeup. Like, there's so many things going on in the world to where like makeup is not that important. And then I know you're probably gonna say, well then why are you buying it? Just because this is what I do. I love making these videos. Yes, I do have another 9-to-5 job that I still have because I work from home. And I am in a position to where I can do that. I can work from home, and I am very blessed to be able to do that. But I know that's not the case for everyone. So if you can't participate in the sale right now for this one, there's gonna be another one in the fall / winter time. And there's gonna be plenty of other sales later on in the future. This is not the only sale. Please do not feel like you have to go out and buy stuff. Literally at all, because you don't. But with that being said, let's jump on into the haul. First things first here, I got one of these Charlotte Tilbury quads. These are her new quads that are for like specific eye colors, and I actually got one that's not for my eye color, but it was the one that really pulled me in, and I thought it looked so pretty. Here's what the packaging looks like. By the way, you guys, this video is going to be super duper long, so I would highly recommend like getting a snack or some coffee or tea or whatever, because this video is going to be pretty long. Oh, this one's so pretty. Oh my goodness, look at this. Okay, here's what this one looks like. It is so freaking beautiful, stunning. I think this is meant to complement color eyes. I don't know. It says Copper Charge Luxury Palette. I don't know which eye color this is meant to complement, but it is so freaking stunning, and I can't wait to play with this and try it out. Next up, I picked up the last quad that I needed from Pat McGrath. I have the Ritualistic Rose and the Nocturnal Nirvana palette, but this one is the one that I did not have yet, and only reason that I got this one's not my favorite one, but I got it to complete the set, but it does look really pretty. Here is what this one looks like. This is more neutral. It's got the browns. This shade is also very pretty, but I just got this one to complete the trio because I do like all of her special shades, and these palettes are full of special shades, so I went ahead and just got this one because it's 20% off to complete my little collection. I got this from Anastasia. Oh, this is their glitter adhesive. I got some glitters the other day from Makeup Revolution, so I needed a glitter adhesive. So I picked up one from Anastasia. I'm gonna try this one and see what I think. Next up from Charlotte Tilbury, I got the Hollywood Contour Wand. I'm so excited about this. I actually saw Allie using this, and I saw many other people using this as well, and I really wanted to try it out. It's like a little twisty-do, and you have product, and it's like contour product, and you just kind of like place it where you want, and then it's easy to blend out, I'm assuming. I've heard really good things, so I can't wait to play around with this. It looks really nice, and I'm super excited about it. I got this as a backup. I needed this for my brows. This is the Benefit Gimmi Brow. I got mine in the shade 3.75 this time because I have used 3.5 and 4. 4 is pretty dark, so I got 3.75 this time. I got another thing from Anastasia. This is their eyeshadow primer. I've heard a lot of great things about their primer, so I cannot wait to try it out. This one's a little mini version because I couldn't find the full size on Sephora for some reason, so I got a mini of the eye primer. I got this from Hourglass. Okay, I've heard so many people rave about this. This is the Hourglass Absolute Strobe, the Strobe Light, Ambient Light Strobe Palette. I hope I got the right one. The Metallic Strobe Lighting Palette. I've heard so many good things. Here's what the packaging looks like. It's very reflective. Here are these shades, and people just use these as highlight, I think. I'm gonna try it out real quick. So I want to try these two shades right here. Ooh. Wow, it's very shiny. I already have highlight on, so I may have to try this later, but oh, it's really pretty. I will definitely try it later on. Like next time I do my makeup, I'll do like a full face first impressions and try it that way. I got these from my mom because she loves the Tarte primer. So the pot primer, what is this called? Timeless Smoothing Primer. She got 4 of these, so these ones are for her. Oh, I got this from Aether Beauty. This is my first thing that I'm trying from Aether Beauty. I've heard about this brand, and everything that I see is so pretty, and I had no idea they were at Sephora until I saw them online. So I had to totally pick up this palette. This is their Rose Quartz Crystal Gemstone palette. And I think all of their makeup is actually made with some kind of crystals inside. I don't know. But these look really, really pretty. Like the colors look really nice. Look at that. Really nice. I'm super excited to play around with these. Oh, I love this card. Oh my goodness. And then it says, listen to your dreams. They are Orphic and penetrating and more meaningful than you can imagine. Orphic, I don't know what that means, but look at that. That's so pretty. I love that card. Next up, I got some things from Fenty. I actually got a few things from Fenty, and I think one of them is like they're kind of buried. So I got one of the cream blushes and one of the cream highlights. Not highlights, bronzer. Oh my god. Ooh, it's like super slippy. It doesn't seem like there's too much pigment. I'm excited. I can't wait to try this out. I got this one in Butter Biscuit. Freaking love these shade names, but this one is the cream bronzer, and this one is the cream blush. I got this one in Cool Berry, and I think I got 2 blushes actually, but I'm not sure. Very, very pretty. Oh, that's pretty. Very exciting. This is tiny. I had no idea these were going to be this small, but they're so cute. I got this from Viseart. This is the Petite Pro Chow Chow Choo Choo palette. This one right here. I did a purchaser pass a few videos back, and then this was in that video, and I said that I was definitely going to be picking this one up, and I sure enough did. Look how gorgeous and pink. Look at these shades. Oh my goodness. They're so spring. They're so pretty. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed with these shades. So I cannot wait to play around with this, and I'll definitely do some looks when it comes to this palette right here. Hi. Hi, baby. Oh, hi, my gorgeous girl. Okay, next up. Oh, okay, I got 2 of these from Natasha Denona. These are Denona. I don't know why I said it that way. These are the duochrome top coats. I got mine in lavender and burnt terracotta. So I actually saw a video from Allie to where she used one of these toppers. She used the, ooh. Huh. Oh wow, okay. So anyways, she used this burnt terracotta topper because she recreated a Gigi Hadid, someone, I forget who did her makeup look. Let me find out. Patrick Ta did a makeup look on Gigi Hadid, and Atlee kind of recreated it, and then she posted it to her Instagram, and I thought that it was such a pretty look, so I got this right here, the terracotta color, so I could recreate it myself. But then I also saw this lavender color and I picked it up as well because it just looked so freaking pretty. They're kind of super like sheer. I didn't know they were going to be like this, but look how pretty that is. Look at that. I'm super excited and I can't wait to actually use it in an eye look. Maybe you're supposed to like use it wet or something. I have honestly no idea. Here's the green one. Oh, this one broke, but it's okay. It's like it's in like a little pot, so it can't, it's okay if it breaks because it's inside of a little pot. Ooh, look at that. Oh, actually I like this one way more actually. I think this one's very pretty, but that one's really, really cool. I like them both, but I think this one is one that I'm definitely going to use more. Next up, oh yeah, I got this from Isla. I don't know how you say this name here, but it's very cute. This is their tinted moisturizer. I believe it is a super serum skin tint. This is very cool. It's got SPF 40 in it and I'm super excited, and I love skin tints like the Colourpop one, or but I know Tarte did one. There's this one, the one from Colourpop. I'm very excited and I can't wait to use this and try it out. Next up, I got a palette that I have been going back and forth with for so long, and I finally caved and I picked it up. This is the Milk Cosmetics Gemini palette. I don't know why it's taken me so long to get this palette. I didn't know if I was going to really like the shades all that much, but I decided that I really do. Oh! Excuse me. Okay, this is what the palette looks like. If you're not into green and like mustardy kind of terracotta shades, then you will not be into this palette, but like, I just want to touch the Gemini shade. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty. I'm kind of obsessed and I can't wait to play around with this. It's going to be so pretty. And Raw Beauty Christie said this is one of her favorite palettes, and I believe it. So I want to play with it and see what I think because I'm so excited, and I'm a Gemini. If you didn't know, my birthday is on June 7th. I got a pair of lashes from Lilly Lashes. These are Miami. I have gotten Miami in the past, but I didn't like them. But I think that's because I didn't know how to apply lashes at that time. I was very new to lashes, so I just got the biggest ones that I could find at the time, and I was just like, these look awful, but now I like them. So I like lashes, that's what I meant to say. But now I like lashes, so I wanted to give these another shot and see what I think, because everyone and their mom uses Lilly Lashes Miami, so I want to try them again. So that's why I got those. I got this little set from Too Faced. It was actually pretty cute, not gonna lie. It's the Just Peachy Mattes palette, and then it has a Better Than Sex mascara, and I don't know what this is, like kind of like a lip cushion situation. Lip color in the shade Day Drinking. I've been doing a lot of that recently. Oh, look how cute! It's the Just Peachy Mattes palette. I've heard this palette's incredible. It looks so freaking cute. I've heard everything. I've heard this palette's insane. I've heard it's great. So really wanted to use this and try it out. And then here are the other, ooh, I didn't realize they were full size. Wowee, got a full-sized Better Than Sex mascara, one of my favorite mascaras of all time. And then this is the lip cushion. I've never ever used one of these before.
2,000 years later.
Oh, that's enough now. Ooh, that's a really pretty shade. Oh, I like that shade. I'm gonna have to use this. Will it match what I'm wearing right now? No. I meant my eye look, but it's really nice. I like the shade a lot. I would definitely wear this. Okay, I've got, oh yeah, I did get another blush from Fenty. This one is in the shade Petal Poppin', and this one's more, I think, of like a corally type of blush, kind of orangey. Oh no, this one's pretty pink. Oh, I love that. I could even mix the two, that berry toned one and this pretty pink one together. That'd be so cute. I love cream blush, literally so much. I love it. I got this from Laneige. This is the Lip Glowy Balm. I love things for my lips like so much. And I love the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. If you can see it, I have it right there. And I use it every night before bed, so I love that. And now I can't wait to try this out because I love things for your lips. My lips kind of look a little dry right now, but I swear, I use things for my lips all the time. Alrighty, we're actually at the end almost. Oh, I did get it. I kind of forgot if I got this or not because I had it in my cart, but there were a few things that I put back, but I wasn't sure if this was one of them. I did end up picking up the Tinted moisturizer from Tarte. I think this shade is way too dark. I did not realize that. Oh, maybe not. It's a little yellow. It's actually very dark. That is not my color at all. It's fine. It's okay. I'll work with it and see if I can kind of sheer it down a little or something, but I did want to try this out because again, I love tinted moisturizers. So, okay, and then this, last but not least, I got this baby. I have been wanting this, but I've just kind of been putting it off and putting it off, but this is the Norvina Collection Volume 3 palette, and I'm so excited about this. This one and the purple one were my two favorites. So I am so excited to finally have this one. Oh my gosh, it looks so nice. It literally looks like fall time. And the purple one that I have, I love the shades. They blend really nicely. They place really nicely. This shade right here called B2, this one is beautiful. Like, holy actual crap. You could do so many looks with this. You could do neutral looks, you could do fall time looks, you could do like colorful looks. This is nuts, and I'm super excited about it. I cannot wait to play around and do a look with these because this one is absolutely stunning. And you guys, that is everything that I got in my Sephora haul for this time. Did you participate in the Sephora spring sales event? If you did, please let me know what you got in the description, in the comments. I would love to know that. But yeah, you guys, it's going to be the end of the video today. I really hope that you did enjoy it. If you did, then go ahead and click up the like button for me and then subscribe if you want to. If you want to see the videos that I post and when I post them, click the little bell down at the bottom there. Again, my name is Kenzie. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.